Hello students, good morning and welcome back to English class. Today we will be studying the poem of the second chapter, that is the rebel. Now what do you understand by the word rebel? So rebel is a word used for a person who always disagrees with his friends or with others, and always he likes to do things just the opposite of what everyone things they should do. Okay, so he is a person who likes to do everything just the opposite of everyone. So in this poem we will be discovering the characters of a rebel. Okay, what are the opposite things he does? So let us start. When everyone has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everyone has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So this is the character of the rebel. What does he do? Just the opposite. When everyone has short hair, what does he do? He lets his hair grow long. He grows his hair. And when everyone has long hair, what he does? He cuts his hair. Okay, he makes his hair short. That means he just want to be the different from others. Okay, now next line. When everyone talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When no one talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Okay, so in the class what happens? If there is a rebel, there is a student who is rebel, then what does he do? When everyone is discussing on a particular lesson, he just keeps quiet. He doesn't utter a single word. But when everyone listens carefully to what teacher is teaching, he starts doing some kind of nonsense and disturbs the class. Okay. And next what he does, when everyone wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Okay. Now about the cloth. So when in a school or anywhere you can consider, when all are using the uniform, what does he do? He dresses with what? Fantastic clothes. Okay, not the uniform, some other clothes. Okay, stylish clothes. And when everyone wears the fantastic clothes, so what does he do? He dresses very soberly. He comes with very simple or ordinary cloth or dress. Okay. Now next, in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for the dogs. Now about the pets. What does he do? When he sees that others are interested in dog, what he prefers to have? He prefers to have cat. He doesn't like to have dog when others have, because he is just the opposite. He is a rebel or rebellious person. He wants to do just the opposite of what others do, isn't it? And now when everyone likes to have cat, what does he do? He prefers to have a dog. Okay. Now, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. Now, when what happens? Now, everyone, the whole world, when every people or every person is longing for the sun, what does he do? He thinks, oh, why there is no rain? There should be rain. Okay? And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. So when the rain comes, when finally it starts raining, people enjoy at that time, he is not happy. He regrets or he misses the absence of sun. Okay? Now, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Now, when everybody goes for a meeting, what does the rebel do? He remains at home and reads a book. And when everybody stays at home and reads book, what the rebel does? He goes to the meeting. Okay. And when everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So he just does or likes to do everything just the opposite of others. So it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So the last line the poet is telling that sometimes what it is good to have rebels in our midst. Okay, but we may not though we may not like to be the one, isn't it? Okay, so who is the poet? DJ Enright. Okay, DJ Enright is the poet of this poem, The Rebel. You have to remember the name of the poet, alright? So now let us move on to the working with the poem. Now please listen carefully. I am going to read out the answers. Okay. You can write the answers in your words if you want, but write it well and clearly. Okay. Now the answer for the question number 1, bit 1 is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, the teacher will first of all ask the reason. If he finds the reason genuine, he will forgive. If not, he will punish. Second, when everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel will want rain. Third, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else will likely to have a cat. Fourth, it is good to have rebels because they have enough power and confidence to bring positive changes in a society. Fifth, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because nobody likes him and he has to face many odd situations. And question number 1, bit 6 is given as a homework to you. You please do the homework. Okay, write the answers by yourself. Now let us move on to second. So here you are asked to find in the poem an antonym. Okay, a word opposite in a meaning. Okay, for each of the following words. So you have to find the opposite words for the given words from the poem itself. So I have written it down for you. You can see. So what is the opposite word for long? Short. And opposite of grow? Cut. And opposite of quietness? Disturbance. Opposite of sober? Fantastic. And opposite of lost? Find. Okay. Now third number is your homework. You have to find in the poem the lines that match the following and read both one after the other. Okay, so with this we finish the poem of the second chapter. Please write down the answers, the notes I have given and learn them. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.